It's easy to have faith everything is going to work out when everything is working out. You see, it's much harder to have faith when you are facing challenges in your life. But that is exactly when you need to apply your faith. Because faith is believing in the unseen. Faith is taking the first step. Faith is jumping in the deep end and knowing everything will be okay. It's easy to be positive when everything is working out. But it's much harder, much harder when nothing is working out. But that's when we need it the most. Everything worth the prize is worth the fight. Everything worth the prize will require a real fight to achieve that prize. If you want the prize, you can't quit at halftime. You can't quit mid-season. You must play the whole game. Pre-season, through the cold, through darkness, through the tough, the challenges, and the opponents. You will be knocked down, of course, but you must get up. Keep fighting, dig deep, and discover your true strength. Then you will win the real prize. Character, expansion, you rising to the next level. If I survive the storm, I can outdo the norm. To break through the norm, I must first survive the storms. To have more than most, I must do more than most. Believe more than most. Learn more than most. Sacrifice more than most. Believe more than most. Now say to yourself, long term, I know what I need will come my way. Long term, I know if I keep at it, I will be rewarded. Long term, I know consistency pays off. Long term, I know all my actions, all my discipline, all my integrity will pay off in a big way. I have faith everything will work out. In the end, all will be fine. If I keep working, if I keep learning, if I continue to evolve, if I continue to adapt, if I learn new ways. Setbacks aren't always negative. Sometimes they are sent to guide us in a much bigger and better direction. But you can only see that if you show character in those hard times. If you remain open-minded in the hard times. If you show strength through your struggles. Don't say, why me? Ask, how can I come out of this stronger? What can I learn? In the hard times, we see who really has the character. In the hard times, we see what people are really made of. What are you made of? Tell me. What are you made of? Character, expansion, growth, and pride. Dig deep. Find that strength that lives inside you. Trust that if you keep doing your thing, you will be rewarded. It might not happen right away, it rarely does, but it will happen if you keep going. Don't allow regret to enter your life. Don't you dare look back on your life in 5 years and think, I could have done more if only I stuck it out. I could have been in a much better position. No, look back with pride. Look back and be able to say to yourself, it wasn't easy, but I am so proud I stuck it out because I got my rewards. Make sure your story is one of strength. Make sure your story is one of someone who refused to give up. Someone who refused to settle. Someone who refused to be normal. Keep going. Your future self is begging you.